All right, homework 11.3, this question number 13. And we are doing multiple choice. We have like A, B, and C as our choices. Sorry, A, B, C, D. And we don't know three of them, and we're just guessing. So on one individual question, our chances of guessing and getting it correct is 1/4. Same thing. So these are independent events. So the next question still has a 1/4 chance, and then the last one is also a 1 in 4 chance. Okay, so the chances we get this one right, and this one right, and this one right is you have to multiply. Okay, and so our probability should be something pretty small, right? If we have just 1 in 4 for getting just one of the questions right, to get all of them right, if you multiply those together, your numerator is 1 and your denominator is 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. So your chances of guessing all of them correctly is just 1 out of 64. That's an and probability, right? The or would be much harder. The chances that you guess at least any one of these right, this one or this one and this one, that would be pretty different. But the and, you just multiply them together and you get a pretty small number.